What's up, guys? So today, even though the market had a pretty pathetic day, I actually managed to make a little money. And I'm not making I'm not making this video to brag by any means. I just wanted to, I guess, show that money can be made in a very bad market. And I guess since I made a video a few days ago bashing myself and my bad decision to buy Litecoin, I wanted to make up for it by just kind of showing that you actually can make money even in a bad market. So anyway, let's jump to it. So today, Bitcoin has really been struggling because of the coronavirus uh, kind of hitting the market hard. At least that's what I assume it is. That's what it seems like the news is making it out to be. People are freaking out because of the coronavirus, and that panicking is causing a lot of selling so people can get cash out of their investments. So today, Bitcoin has dropped. Let's see. So this morning it started at around 9,000, really. No, that's a week ago. Okay, I was like, there's something wrong with this. Okay, let's go back to one day. All right, there we are. So this morning it started at 7,000. That's more like it. And then for most of the day it was trending around 6,000. Tonight it dropped to under $4,000 per Bitcoin. And right now it's all the way back up to 5,600. So I was watching it really closely, and I went ahead and bought a little bit. I'll show you right here. I bought it when it was at $3,900 right here, the average cost of when I bought it. I put $300 in as soon as it dropped below $4,000, and then I put another $100 in when I thought it was going to bottom out, and I'm pretty sure that was almost like literally within $10 of the very bottom of it. I bought it at $3,838. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Market buy. Look at the history, the top market buy. It says on the bottom right or under the $99.98, it says I bought 0.026 at $3,838. So I put $400 in there total today, which brings me to, look at the quantity right here, zero point 0.1 Bitcoin. So I have exactly a tenth of one Bitcoin. And I guess I just was watching for when it sank really bad. And I had a feeling that a lot of this stuff about the coronavirus is just hype. At least that's just what I think. And once again, don't take anything that I say as any kind of investment advice, because obviously you can't predict these things, and you should get advice somewhere else. I'm just showing that you can make or lose money very easily in the stock market, and especially in cryptocurrencies. And so today, my $400, if I were to sell it right now, would already be worth $550. So if I were to sell it, I would have made $150 on that $400. And that's pretty great. So it shows right here today's return plus 40%. So, and then I still have my Litecoin, which I bought, and that's actually quite a bit lower. I was thinking I'd make a few videos because I've done a whole heck of a lot of research about, day trading and investing in crypto and stocks. And I'll make some videos about that. So if you are interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like if you like this. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about any of this. I'd be happy to answer that in a future video, just to share my opinion about it. Once again, none of this is any kind of advice. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we will see you on the next video.